I was building a new house, as you can see. So I asked my project manager to find a company to design the lighting. This technology that I'd bought was actually quite complex, and it required a whole wall of electrical sort of monitors and devices, and I was going to have another version at the other side of the house, and it was getting to be so expensive. I thought, this is ridiculous, so I actually stopped it. So I just had this part of the house done with the lighting system that was recommended to me. I'm sort of used to it now, but when I really realised how complex it is if anybody comes to stay, or I go away and somebody comes to look after my animals, and I have to literally leave them a list of instructions as to how to try and operate this system. It's very limited as to what I can do. I was so frustrated recently, I thought, okay, I'll call the engineer out. And then I happened to ask, how much will it cost to get the engineer to come and rejig the lights for me? It was going to be £350, which I thought was ridiculous. So I said no. In hindsight, absolutely, it was a mistake. In the other half of the house, I just had ordinary on-off light switches, and I realised that Tap was available and that I could subscribe to it, and it would give me what I've got here in this part of my house, but far more flexible, far more intuitive. Basically, it's modern technology. The price comparison, it's just like night and day. I quite liked the idea of having a switch that controlled all the lights in the house. Smart plugs are great because they allow you to turn all your lights on and off by just pressing tap. The electrician came for one day, installed Tap on all my light switches. It's been very easy. As an intuitive lighting system, it is great, and it's very convenient. So it's a bit like an iPhone. We're all used to swiping with iPhones. I think it looks very sleek, very neat, very 21st century. You can turn lights up and down, you can alter moods. You go on the app and it's all self-explanatory. You know, if you want the lights brighter, you simply move the little indicator on your screen up and your lights get brighter. With Tewke, it is constantly being updated. It's really very simple. In that half of the house, I do my entertaining. There's a very long dining table and I have my dinner parties there. I have an evening mood. I flick one switch, my lamps come on, a very low light comes on, all my under cupboard lights go on, the lamps go on in the orangery. It's what I like in the evening. Now I have Tap installed, I will have Octopus come and I'll have a tariff where I can see how much energy I'm using, and I expect that to save me at least half. The other thing I have is an electric car. With Tap, I can now see and only charge it when it's cheap. I can just look at the switch on my wall, which is incredibly convenient. I have the home health facility. I think it's very important to check what CO2 you might have in the room. I'm hoping to get solar, and I was going to have a wall of batteries put in, and then I hope to be sort of more or less sustainable. And I have ground source heating anyway. Between that, the batteries and Tewke with Tap, it makes much more sense. I also feel I'm adding my own little bit to the environment. Having Tap has made my life a lot simpler. It's intuitive and it doesn't require rocket science. Let's face it, if technology can save you in the long run, why wouldn't you want to use it? There's no damage being done to any of your building. All this is doing is literally putting something on top of your light switch. It's a light switch that is 150% better than what you've ever known before.